Hey everyone, welcome to this video. If you want to know how to change your age on TikTok, then this video is for you. In today's video, I will show you how to do that. Just open your TikTok and go to your profile. Now from profile, just tap on this three line here. Now tap on this settings and privacy. Scroll down all the way and just tap on this report a problem. Now from here, just tap on this down arrow from account and profile, this section. Now you can see there is an option editing profile. Just tap on this. Now tap on this other. Now tap on this no. Now just simply tap on this I need more help. Basically we are just going to take support from the support team. So from here, just tap this account. Now you can see there is an option I want to update my birth date. Just tap on this. Now they are giving you an instruction and they are saying to tap on this edit date of birth. So okay, let's do that. Just tap on this edit date of birth. So now you can simply do that from here, which one you want to add as your birthday, and just after that just confirm, and by confirming this it will update on your TikTok account. So basically this is how you can easily change your birth date or age on TikTok. If you think this video helpful, please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.